Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel techCodio. My name is Bharat Kumar. In this video, I'm going to discuss about dictionaries in Python. So guys, I'm requesting you to watch my previous video which is sets in Python and then come back to this video, because if you understand the concept of sets, you can easily understand the dictionaries. So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. So now let's begin the lecture. So guys, it is part 4.4 in this Python series. So now let's have a look at the agenda. So first we are going to see what are dictionaries, and then accessing the items, and then changing the items, adding the items, looping through the dictionaries, nested dictionaries, and then finally we end up the lecture with the dictionary methods. So guys, in the data structures we have list, tuple, sets. But why do we have dictionaries? Because the dictionaries allows key and value pair. That means every element in the dictionary contains key and value. That is the difference between dictionary and the remaining data structures. So now let's see what are dictionaries. Dictionaries are used to store the data values in key value pairs. A dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable, but do not allow duplicates. Let's try to break the definition, and then we have to create the dictionaries. Right. First, take a variable where we have to use the flower brackets same as sets, but here we are giving key is A and then value is apple, and I want to give one more key B. For the B key I'm going to give a value banana. Right. So now let's print the var. You can see it is giving key and values. The type of var is dictionary. You can see it is dixt, which is ordered. We can change the elements in the dictionary. So now let's change this apple to the grapes. Right. Var of key A equal to the grapes. Now you can see the value of apple changed to the grapes. Right. Now we have to understand this concept. Do not allow duplicates. Right. I'm going to give the same key B, but the value is different. Now let's see. You can see it is giving only the one key and then one value, but it is ignoring this one because I have given the same key for 2 times. That means it do not allow duplicates. It is the definition for the dictionaries. It is a key and it is a value. Right. I want to give a syntax for you. Here a variable. Here we have to give key and then colon value. It is the syntax for dictionaries. Right. It is the one way of creating dictionaries. We have another way of creating dictionaries. Second way. First I'm going to take 2 lists. In the list 1 I'm going to give 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the list B I'm giving A, B, C and D. Now I want to zip the A and B. That means it will combine A and B. Right. Now I'm converting it into the dictionaries. Yeah, you can see I got the dictionary. Type of C is dictionary. You can see it is dictionary. 1, 2, 3, 4 are keys and then A, B, C, D are values. You have to note this point. Here I have a note for you. Keys do not allow duplicates. Values can be duplicates. Here you can see we saw that I have given 2 keys, but it is giving only the 1 key. That means it do not allow duplicates for the keys. Right. So guys, here I have a question for you. How to create empty dictionary? For the set and dictionary, we are using the same flower brackets only. Right. So firstly, I want to create empty set. Variable s equal to empty set flower bracket. The type of s. You can see it is giving only the dictionary. Right. That means we can't create empty sets. It is the answer for this question, empty dictionary. But for the same variable I have one value. Now the type of s is set. Right. You can't create empty set. You can create empty dictionary. So now let's see accessing the items. First I want to copy this dictionary. C of key 1. I'm giving key 1. You can see I got A. For the key, I have the value A. I want to get 2. For the 2, I have B. So guys, you can see it is a way of accessing the elements. It is one way of accessing the elements. Now I want to show you some dictionary methods. Here, c dot get. For the get method, we have to pass key. Here I have given one key. That means for the one I have A. C dot get 3. It is giving C. Now I want to get that C dot press the tab button. You can see these all are the dictionary methods only, right? So now I want to get the complete keys from this dictionary. You can see the dictionary keys are 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 are the keys. Now I want to get the values. These all are dictionary values A, B, C, D. Now let's try to change the items. I have these values. I want to change these values. For the key 1, I want to give apple. For the key 2, I want to give car. For the key 3, I want to give bike. For the key 4, I want to give the value string. Now you can see all the values are changed. You can change the values in the dictionary, but you can't change the keys. Now let's see adding items in the dictionary. We can add new keys to the dictionary also. I'm adding key 5. The value of the key 5 is 5 only. And I want to add one more key 6. The value is 6, right? You can see we added two keys, key 5 and then key 6 with the value also. Now looping the dictionaries. For I in C, I want to print I. You can see I got only the keys. Here I want to give the method values. I want to get only values from the dictionary. You can see I got values. Now I want to give here keys. I got keys, but I want to get both keys and values. For that we have a method items. This items method will give key with respect to the values. Nested dictionaries, right? The meaning of nested dictionaries is a dictionary in another dictionary is known as nested dictionary, right? Take a variable D, flower brackets. First I want to take languages. I'm giving list of values. Telugu, Hindi, and then English. Right, now I'm going to take one more key, which is programming languages. So for this key, I'm going to take one more dictionary. For this key, I'm giving a dictionary value. In this dictionary, I'm giving 3 keys. For the key 1, I'm giving Python. For the key 2, I'm giving C. And then for the key 3, I'm giving C++. Now you can see I have created nested dictionary. That means a dictionary in another dictionary, right? The type of D is dictionary, right? I want to get this languages. D of languages. You can see I got this languages. Now I want to get this only Telugu. Here give 0 for the Telugu and give 1 for Hindi and then give 2 for the English. So guys, I want to change this Telugu to the Tamil. Now I want to get this complete dictionary. Now D of prolang. You can see I got this complete dictionary, right? For this dictionary, I want to get the value for the key 1. value for the key 1 is Python, and value for the key 2 is C, and for the key 3 is C++. Now I want to change this C to the Java. Here give 2. Now Java. I got Java. So guys, in this dictionary I have this 1, 2, 3 are the keys, but in this case I have this list. So for the list I'm using indexing. The 0 is index number. Here the 2 is the key number. Remember that. Now dictionary methods. So guys, we already saw some dictionary methods: get, keys, values, items. We have some more dictionary methods. Clear. I want to clear the elements in the dictionary. Now you can see the items in the dictionary are completely removed, right? Copy. I want to copy. Let me create the same dictionary again because the dictionary is empty. Now I want to copy this dictionary into the another variable. Yeah. Now you can see here I got the same elements from the D. That means I have copied the D elements into the variable E. Now let's see some more methods. Pop. Give here a key. You can see it is removed this complete item. That means with the pop method we have to pass key also, right? We have pop item. Now you can see the dictionary is empty. For the pop method we have to pass key. The pop item will automatically remove the random element from the dictionary, right? So guys, we saw what are dictionaries, dictionary methods, accessing the items, changing the items, adding the items, looping, nested dictionaries, and then dictionary methods. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and then click the bell icon.